Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 118 scale video. I've been making a lot of these. It's obviously because I haven't had anything else to quite show separately. But yeah, so today we have a big car. We have the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham. This is a big beast. This is a casting made by Sunstar. Luckily, this one they made very well. Sunstar cars, some are good, some are bad, but it is what it is. So this is the American Collectibles, like series. There's nothing much on the box to show. Some stuff on the bottom, maybe. Yeah, it's just not for kids and stuff like that. So let's get it out. I'm trying to remember where I got this one, but like I said, it probably was either in Norway or Sweden because most of my 118s are coming from there. Some of them are coming from USA because I bought them on eBay. So we got this nice cardboard surrounding. I don't know why my camera actually this angle won't do. Let's get it a bit more uppity or not. Wait, let me just adjust this camera angle just a tiny bit. There we go. You can somewhat see the odd stuff in the back, but that's for future stuff. Yeah, so mostly a very impressive big car. Has all the opening and moving features. Let me see what I need to get it off the base. Okay, it looks like we have 3 screws. So if you're not into walking how somebody unscrews a vehicle, you can skip forward. But you can be also here for the ride of me unscrewing this off the base. I could just skip, but myself like pause it and continue on. I can hear somebody outside crying. It's raining like crazy. Okay, one more to go. Oh, that one's not cooperative. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there we go. So let's move the base away. Don't lose any screws. Thank you. And here's the big one. A very big model. It is dusty like all my models are because they are not sitting on a nice shelf somewhere and collecting even more dust. They're just waiting their time when I get a bigger place to live or something like that. But yeah, this thing is massive. Like it's all black. I got a bunch of like tail lights and extra lights like fog lights or reverse lights or something like that. There's your front, very big. It does have steerable wheels. As you can see, the steering wheel is moving in there. Like I said, for Sunstar, this one's very impressive. I don't know who else had made this car. Has no suspension for the front or the back. We have partially colored and detailed exhausts. For other cars I've shown you, they have detailed, like color-wise, fully, and even the bottom parts have been separately like cast and everything. This one is all one, except for the back exhausts are going to the back here. And I believe in real life, this is the exhaust, like these bits here. I believe that's how it works in real life, not the way they're showing it here. But yeah. Okay, so let's show off the goodies of inside of the vehicle. So the hood does open in reverse. There's your interesting looking engine. Nothing much. It's mostly black and copper colored. And shuts normally, no issues there. Too much, except like the hood doesn't fully want to stay shut, and why is that? I am not fully sure. Then we can go to the back. There's your trunk. It has like texture in here. Can't see it, but it is like a nice like a carpet feel to it. We have supposedly a spare wheel in there. Probably not. And now for the cool feature is the doors. So this one opens this way, and we have the back doors opening that way. Look at that. I think these are called the suicide doors. Why they're called like that, not fully sure. But yeah, there you can get in both sides in the same time if you want to. So that's the doors. I can see the interior looks, as much as I can show you, if it would focus, would be amazing. Well, it doesn't really want to, but there are some, but not, well, let me actually see if it focuses more if I shut this door. No, it doesn't want to focus. It's just too much reflections and stuff like that, so it is a bit difficult to show. Same thing for the other side. That is open normally, like there's the front and there's the back. There is this split thing in the middle, which does hold. I think in real life it's also there, so you can, when you close the doors, they won't go forward, so it wouldn't deform the car too much. But imagining in real life how massive is the support for the base and for the top, since there's no pillar in the middle. Yeah, probably wasn't the safest idea, but for luxury purposes, not a bad idea. So roll wise, it does roll. Oops, into the carport it rolled. As you can see, it perfectly rolls and everything. So there you go. Rims look fine, the tires look awesome. Like I said, this model is ginormous for what it is. This one also has these windshield wipers, which are interesting. They are not the usual ones that you can see that just go one way or the other. These go like, this one goes to the left and this one goes to the right. So it's like whoop, 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 like that. Basically just spreads open every single time. So it is interesting. So basically when it wipes, it doesn't push the side, it pushes the stuff like the off to the right or to the left when it opens, but it comes down and it pushes it right into the vents. So it is an interesting idea. We also have some vents on these sides here. But yeah, there you go. That is the big Cadillac, as they were in the back in the time. Well, most of the Cadillacs, even until this day, are pretty big. Some of them are not impressively looking even. But yeah, tell me what you think about this. Leave a like if you did. If you liked, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.